As a woman who is trying to conceive, it gets very frustrating when you're unable to ovulate or when you're unable to see your menstrual cycle. A lot of women, they have this problem. Either they're menstruating and they don't have ovulation, like they don't ovulate. Ovulation is just that fertile window during your menstrual cycle where you releases your eggs, and for a sperm to meet the eggs for fertilization to occur, you need that eggs, you need to ovulate. And meanwhile, some other women they don't even see their menstrual period at all, like their monthly menstrual period. And it's very frustrating. If these two things, if you can't ovulate and you can't see your menstrual period, your menstrual flow, it is very difficult for you to get pregnant. So this brings me to the reason of doing this video today, guys. Today I want to show you a very simple home remedy. But before I go into the video, hello guys, my name is Gilly James. You're definitely welcome to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing great. I'm doing great myself. If this is your first time visiting my channel, you're definitely welcome to my channel. For my returning viewers, I say thank you so much for your love and your support. There's a red button right down below this video in red. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet and you're watching this video, please do not leave without hitting that subscribe button. And as you do so, God will bless you. So today I want to bring you the simple home remedy, what you can do to bring back your period. If you're that woman that don't have your menstrual cycle, your menstrual flow every month, or you don't ovulate at all, guys, this home remedy is for you. If you're watching this video and you don't have any of those, share this video. You have friends, sister, family, share. Even if you don't have, share this video on your Facebook wall, everywhere. Let it go around. It might help somebody, it might help a soul. Okay, you might even know people that don't share their problems with you. Once they see this link, they will click on it and try to get solutions for your problem. So I'll go straight ahead and show you the items. We have cabbage. This is cabbage. All right, you need one cabbage. You don't have to be very big, about this size cabbage. And you need ginger. This is ginger, one big ginger. All right, and you need lemon, of course. This is your lemon. You need this is pineapple peels. We all know pineapple fruits, right? This is the pineapple peelings from the pineapple fruits. All right, this is about one small pineapple. You need only the peelings. You don't need the pineapple fruit itself. Once you get the pineapple, peel the pineapple, eat the fruit, and use the peelings for this video. What you will do for this video, you just you clean this ginger here, you take out the peelings, or you can either leave it, it doesn't matter. All right, make sure you wash it very clean, just like this one is looking. Wash all your items very clean. You cut the cabbage into small pieces. You slice your ginger, your lemon. Don't take out the peelings, everything whole like this. Make sure you wash it very clean. You slice it, all right. And then of course your peelings, you can cut them into small pieces. All right, you put all of them in a pot and you put in water, about 1.5 liter or 2 liters. You boil for 40 minutes. When you boil this for 40 minutes, let it cool a little bit. It should be lukewarm, and you drink it morning and night. All right, that is the preparation. How you're going to take it: you take it morning and night. Leave it in a pot, warm it wherever you want to take it. Morning you warm it first thing before you eat, night last thing before you go to bed. Take it for 4 days only. You can say to take it every month, but it should be once a month for 4 days. If you take it this month 4 days, wait until next month, you take it for another 4 days, guys. This is what you're going to do. And for you to track if you're menstruating and you're not ovulating, for you to know that you're actually ovulating, you need to get an ovulation kit. If you can't get an ovulation kit, you can track that by checking your cervical mucus. At that ovulation day, it should be like very stretchy and dry. I mean, it has to be transparent, like white, like the egg white. Okay, that shows that you're actually ovulating. But for better result, for accurate result, use ovulation test kit to test during that window if you're actually ovulating. And for those who are expecting their period for cis menstruation, that you have not been menstruating, take this home remedy and you are going to have your period back. Guys, I wish you the best. If you're watching this video and you want to try this home remedy, I pray that as you take this home remedy that you're going to have better result, you're going to have good result. At the end of the day, like I always say, whenever you want to take any home remedies, whenever you want to take any medications, anything at all, always pray over it, always pray over it, because we are just doing the physical, and God is the one that heals, God is the one that blesses, God is the one that do everything. So make sure you pray and make sure you have faith in whatever thing you're taking. Make sure you have a faith in those things, believe in those things that are going to work for you. If you have faith, your faith is going to work for you, and God is also going to give you better result based on your faith. So guys, yeah, this is a home remedy I want to share with you guys. I'm not going to be cooking these items, sorry. I'm not going to show you the practical video. I'm only going to show you the items and give you directions, because I'm not going to use it, okay? And I don't want to do it at the end of the day. Who is going to take them? You understand what I'm saying? So I just said share this video with you guys. I hope that this video was helpful. I hope that this video is going to bless a soul. I hope that this video is going to make you're going to rejoice again, you're going to be happy again, okay? So guys, this is it for this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you're watching this video and you think that this video is helpful. Give this video a thumbs up, and of course drop your comments down below this video if you're watching and you have any questions for me. I'll be glad to answer your questions. All right, and until then guys, I'll see you again in my next one. So have a great day. Bye.